Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Precision craftsmanship. Those are two good adjectives to describe the restoration in this car. It is so meticulously done, not just in the way it looks, but in the way it fits and functions. This is an incredibly nice car, LS motor, 6-speed trans, all the upgrades. So I want to tell you all about it. Go to volocars.com. That's where you get all the specs, pricing, description of this car and a few hundred other collector cars. They're all for sale at volocars.com. But like I said, we got a lot to talk about here on this one. Join me, let's go for a spin in a 68 Camaro. It's got 86 miles on it. This is a brand new car and it drives phenomenally. It just functions, shifts, feels like a new car. It's awesome. The exterior is called, it's a modern color. You may have seen this on a few modern cars. It's called cement gray, and it's got really fine metal flake. I call it diamond dust. It's just really tiny sparkles when you get up on it and see it. It's a very classy color. This is all new metal. There's no rust, no damage whatsoever. All new metal, all new glass, all new chrome. All the stainless is polished. All the gaps are right on the money. New taillights, bumpers. Every seal is new. The window seals and weather strips. And again, everything fits right. Nothing is falling off or loose or hokey. Went for a very subtle, understated look. No rear spoiler, no stripes, no SS emblems. It's just a classy car. It's got staggered size wheels. There's 17s in front, 18s in back, and obviously a much wider wheel in the back. And they got the G-Force performance tires. Bow tie mirrors. The grille is new. It's the only emblem on the car. Notice on the sides, he just kept it real nice and clean. Doesn't have all the extra hoopla. Does have the metal cowl hood. Underneath the car, it's all brand new. All fancy fat tubular control arms, QA1 adjustable gas shocks at all four corners, Detroit speed suspension in the back, brand new 373 posi. It's a Tremec 6-speed trans with a hydraulic clutch, disc brakes at all four corners with drilled and slotted rotors, new fuel system. It's a Phytec fuel injection in there, so it's got the fuel pump and the braided lines, everything that goes with the fuel injection system. Everything under the car is brand new. Every gasket, every clip, it's all new. There's some literature on the restoration right here. There's a screen for adjusting the fuel injection. The owner literally told me to throw it away. He goes, it is dialed in so perfectly, you don't want some guy to start playing with it and mess it up. I'm not going to throw it away, but again, it runs perfect. I advise you not to touch the fuel injection system. From carpet to headliner is brand new. It's completely wrapped in the insulation, the floors, the ceiling, and the doors. It's got some really nice blue Dakota Digital analog gauges, a custom-made console and center dash section. It's all made out of metal, painted to match the car. New cushions, new upholstery, visors, mirror, the cranks, the handles, everything is new. So it's a 5.3 LS motor. It has LS1 heads on it. The motor is completely rebuilt. New pistons, everything in the motor is new. 450 horsepower. It has a Phytec fuel injection system, vintage air, heat and air system. Everything under the hood is new. Power steering, power brakes, a polished aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. It's got blue LED lights. The gauges light up blue. It has a touch screen entertainment system, all brand new. Nice chrome vents in the dash. The door jambs are painted as glossy as the outside. Sill plates. It's a pristine car. Again, quality, quality, quality with this one right here. Fire it up for you. Love the gauges. That's a cold start. It's Monday morning. It's been in here since Saturday. It's got stainless mufflers. The list goes on, so check the website to get all the specs. But again, this is a high quality car. I recognized it immediately when I seen it. The more I looked at it, yeah, it's quality top to bottom. Car landed here in our shop, and the salesman, the guys in the shop, everyone's talking about this car. There's beautiful, well-built cars. This is at that next level. So if quality is your thing, this is it right here. And it's got all the goodies. Custom suspension. It handles like a track car. It's fast. I mean, it really goes. Air conditioned with all the modern vintage air electronic controls. So it's got everything going for it. VoloCars.com. There are plenty of ways on there to contact us. We'll help with any questions about the car, the shipping, the financing. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these videos as they're being made. I appreciate everyone who's been watching, and stay tuned for more.